So I've got with me the 5th generation iPad Air. Its base configuration starts at 64 gigabytes. Note that iPad OS takes about 8 gigabytes of space, so you are left with only 50 gigabytes of usable space. This may suffice if you plan to use your iPad as a media consumption device, but if you intend to take lots of pictures and videos, install large games and apps, consider upgrading to the 256 gigabyte model. Regarding internet connectivity, you have a choice of going with just the Wi-Fi model or upgrading to a 5G cellular model. Now, what separates this iPad Air from the cheaper entry-level basic iPad is its modern design, superior display, integrated Touch ID on the power button, better sounding speakers, and a much desired USB Type-C port, and you also get a fast M1 processor. So iPad Air is powered by the Apple M1 silicon, and this chip comes with a neural engine. This is the same chip that powers Apple's MacBooks and iMac desktops. Needless to say, the M1 chip delivers really good performance, making it a perfect tablet for doing both productivity as well as doing leisurely activities like gaming, watching streaming videos, and just surfing online. Regarding the display, iPad Air uses a 10.9-inch fully laminated display with no visible air gaps. This makes using the 2nd generation Apple Pencil a joy to use. You get the same high quality writing and drawing experience that you get from the more expensive iPad Pro. Its screen resolution is 2360 by 1640, which translates to about 264 pixels per square inch. It's also quite bright, pumping out about 500 nits of peak brightness. Now, the Apple Pencil 2 magnetically attaches to iPad Air and charges wirelessly. This makes it far more practical to use than the Apple Pencil, the Apple One Pencil that you get on the entry-level iPad, because that does not come with wireless charging and you have to plug it to the Lightning port. Now let's talk about the camera. Apple has given the FaceTime camera a welcome upgrade. It's now a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which means you can use center stage during video calls. Center stage uses artificial intelligence to keep you in focus while you move around in a video conference call. Unfortunately, what hasn't changed is the primary camera hardware. So that means you are still getting the same single 12 megapixel camera that was introduced in the last generation iPad Air. Overall, I would say that the iPad Air is a cheaper alternative to iPad Pro. It's great for doing both professional work and also indulging in entertainment and gaming and mindless internet surfing. You can do all those things without making a hole in your wallet. So if you think iPad Pro is too expensive, iPad Air is a very good alternative.